Alright, welcome back to Top Notch Cringe. Today I'm going to be running a mile, and every 400 meters I'm going to eat a bite of this spicy chicken. It's really, really spicy, I promise. This is going to be painful and kind of funny to watch, probably. It's raining and my camera just got really blurry. So yeah, we're at Scott County Track and I'm gonna do some stretching and warming up before I go. If you can't tell, I'm stretching right now. Probably should have warmed up first. And yeah. Alright, I think we're ready to go. Wish me luck, wish me luck. First bite of chicken. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ah! Yikes, that hurts. I'm about 200 meters in. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. This was a mistake. Huge mistake. Coming in at 400 meters. Time for my next bite. Oh my gosh. So much pain. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My throat is closing. This was a mistake. You better like this video. Oh my gosh. Ah! This is a really slow mile. So much pain. Alright, coming in, finishing second lap. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. My arm is getting really tired from holding the camera. My mouth burns. My throat is closing. So much pain. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die today. One more lap. Then I'm done, but the pain will continue. I don't care if that was a wimpy bite. So much pain. Let's make this a fast one. So many things are happening. I can't breathe. My arm hurts. The mile, however, not that difficult. Aside from the fact that everything hurts. I'm slowing down. Almost done. That's it. My stomach's killing me. Oh my gosh. So much pain. No.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Alright guys. That was the spicy chicken mile. You better like this video. So much pain. Okay. Well, I guess that's gonna be the end of the video. And goodbye, everyone.